Good morning everyone, it's Miss Van here. I'm here today to talk to you about geography. And as you know, I love geography. But what is it? Let's have a little think. Now you might have thought maps, atlases, globes, they're the things we use when we're learning about geography. You might have thought rivers, mountains, or the countries you may have visited, or even seas and oceans. Or is it simply where we live, our world? Well, yes, you're right. Geography is all of those things. It's everywhere. It involves everything. Let's look at some images of our world. Amazing, right? So it's about travel. It's about every part of this earth. This is the planet that we live on. So geography is everywhere. It's split into three main strands. Here's two of them. Physical geography. This is about the natural things that occur, like mountains, rivers, seas and weather. Then there's human geography. And this is about the element that we've created. Man-made, some people call it. Buildings, houses, factories, communications, food distribution, or population. And there's a third. We'll come to that in a minute. Now have a look at these topics. Can you see if you can decide whether they're physical geography or human geography? So we've got things like waterfalls, farming, seas and beaches, coastal erosion, volcanoes, earthquakes, recycling, population, weather, storms, sewage, travel, going on holiday, roads, transport, communication, food distribution, wind and solar energy. Why are certain animals endangered? Why do we move to certain places? And why do we live where we live? Now some of these fall into the third category, the strand of geography that kind of links the two. Now have a look at these images and let's see if you can guess from these images what the third strand is. Any guesses? It's environmental. This looks at how we, humans, affect our environment. Things like farming, pollution, energy generating, urbanisation, building of towns and cities, and litter. Now these two images, if I can just get my pointer, here and over here, are actually images of Morecambe Bay. So it's our local environment. It's concerned with how we look after and use our environment. Now let's look and watch what can be done with geography. How can geography be used? I click here.
I work on hurricanes, I work on earthquakes, I work on tornadoes and floods and a lot of other natural hazards. Geography is really important because we have to have maps that communicate very quickly what happened. I'm a senior physical scientist with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and my name is Gene Longenecker.
You've got to care about geography. In the intelligence world, to understand that something happened is very exciting, but it really isn't valuable unless you understand where it happened. I'm the president of the United States Geospatial Intelligence Foundation, and my name is Keith Masback.
When I wanted to be, geography was very much a two-dimensional subject. Now with Google Earth, we can fly into a city, I'm an economic analyst at the Environmental Defense Fund. My name is Olushe Fayandra.
Being an explorer is basically being a geographer because you're trying to understand what our world looks like. I am a polar explorer, mountaineer, and expedition guide. My name is Eric Larson. For me, the crux, where there are so many things that can go wrong despite your best efforts. On an expedition, I really rely heavily on a map to better understand where I'm traveling and knowing if I need to get here, some of the obstacles that are in the way.
And that means that Shane Fayandra of New Jersey is the 1996 National Geography Meet Champion.
Studying geography makes you more appreciative of the world as a whole and of being a global citizen. And if you have from an early age been accustomed to thinking of yourself as a global citizen in addition to an American citizen, then that really gives you an advantage.
By simply understanding the physical geography, you have to truly embrace and understand the human geography as well. And that provides things like culture, history, religion, language, ethnicity.
Where a hazard occurs and where people happen to be is something that's very important. We need to know if it's a big earthquake and it's been shaking a lot, did it shake a bunch of people? An earthquake that happens out in the desert doesn't shake people.
Once we're on the expedition, from the field, I can send an email that sends out my blog post, a picture, and my GPS position, my latitude and longitude. And that goes right into a Google Earth layer that marks that on the map. So people can zoom into Google Earth, they can see my route on Everest all the way up to the summit. It allows us to be able to understand our planet and be connected to one another in a way which we've never been able to.
The highlight of my career was certainly what we did in support of the aftermath of Hurricanes Katrina and Rita. To take all these systems that we had built for national security purposes and apply them to be able to guide rescuers to their door in time to save them was absolutely a wonderful, wonderful thing.
When we think about the geography of me, it shouldn't just be viewed in a vacuum as like a childhood hobby that just sort of ends there. I think you really sort of look at it as a path that can lead you in a lot of different great directions in terms of your career, in terms of what you think of.
Wow, what a great question. What will you do with geography? Bear with me. Come back out. What will you do with geography? Now, we have seen that there are loads of amazing, beautiful, wonderful places around the world. Spectacular, breathtaking. Now this picture is actually the view across Morecambe Bay. So right here on our doorstep we have some beautiful places. So for the assembly, for this Friday's assembly, we would like you to tell us about your special places. You can draw a picture, write a poem, or send a photo of where in our locality is special to you. Well, fabulous. I hope you enjoyed that assembly, and I'll see you tomorrow.